Hey guys, Adam here, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started on today's lift, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. And make sure you check out BowFit Studios' line of supplements. You can find the link in the description and also my special discount code. So in today's lift, I did back and chest. It only consisted of 4 lifts, but the total amount of reps was 160. So it was a very grueling session. And I started off with deadlifts and only 2 compound lifts out of the 4 lifts, and they were 60% of my 1 rep max. So my plan on the first set of deadlifts was to do a double overhand, total of 10 reps at 330, but my grip failed at 7. So I reset my grip and did the last 3. And for the last 3 sets, I put my straps on. I'm not a competitive powerlifter. My only concern is to get the strength and muscle building benefits out of the lift. And I don't buy into that whole BS about if you wear straps, lift doesn't count. I mean, that's stupid. You do whatever you have to do to get the most out of your workout. And when I'm performing a deadlift, I'm focusing on a few things. That the starting point of the bar is where the shoelaces would start if I was wearing shoes, that my arms are good and long, that I'm pushing through the floor and pulling back through my heels and lowering the bar down my quads so that the starting position is the exact same for each rep. And most of the pump that I get from deadlifts are all in my mid-back and in my posterior chain, my glutes and my hamstrings. I don't feel anything in my lower back at all. So after deadlifts, I went on to flat bench, and I went pretty heavy on incline last week, so I dropped the weight back a little bit, and I want to do that percentage work and get 4 sets of 10 at 240 pounds. And I want to make sure that I moved each rep quickly and athletically, because if you move things slow, you will always be slow. And for both compound lifts, the deadlifts and the flat bench, I included all 4 sets and all the reps, but I sped them up for the interest of time, just in case somebody called bullshit on the believability of this workout. Okay, and by set 4, after doing 4 sets of deadlifts and 3 sets of bench, my body was pretty well pumped up. And it's not that I was worried that I wouldn't make these 10 reps, but it's just nice having someone there for peace of mind. But it's hard to find good spotters in commercial gyms, someone who won't take the weight from you. And that's exactly what he did. On the last 3 reps here, he took the weight from me, and I was irritated. And for all you YouTubers out there, this is how not to spot someone. So after flat bench, I went on to 4 sets of lat pull downs, and I was directed to try out this new handle attachment. And man, it was awesome. It had these sweet ergonomic handles and just the angle. My mid-back was more pumped up and burning than I've ever experienced doing lat pull downs. It was crazy. And I finished off the day with an old favorite of mine, pec deck, and 4 sets of 10. And on the last set, I got a great squeeze at the end. And yeah, it was an excellent workout, great burn, only 4 exercises, 160 reps. And yeah, give it a try. And if you found this workout helpful, give me a like, subscribe, comments. And with that, stay tuned for episode 77 of The Ways.